Hey guys, Becki-licious here, and today we're going to get spicy because we're making a Spanish omelet. So I've already got my spicy ground beef all ready to go, seasoned up with some taco seasoning and some salsa, and then I've got my hash brown ready to go as well. So let's go build this omelet. Let's get grilling. All right, let's get this Spanish omelet going, okay? Very carefully though. This is gonna be yummy. I just know it. All right, let's get our pepper jack cheese. But of course, you can't make a spicy omelet without some pepper jack cheese on it. And this is definitely gonna be spicy. All right, got our cheese. Now we've got that yummy spicy ground beef. Look at that. Phenomenal. Oh, yum. All right, now we're going to throw in all of the yummy stuff. We've got some jalapeno, because you got to have jalapeno. Hello. I got some black olives. We're going to get those kind of sprinkled throughout there if we can. And we've got some diced tomato because we want it to look pretty. And that little pop of red really does it. And then we've got some red onion. More purple to me, but whatevs. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Doesn't that look so pretty? All right, it's time to flip this Spanish omelet. See if we can make this happen. Bada boom, bada bang. Look at that. Good stuff. And over we go. Oh yes, look at that. All right, get our topper on there. Let this puppy cook. Time to get our little pretty stuff to go on the top. So let's take this off. We've got a little bit of the purple onion. We're gonna get around there. Stay on there. Look at that. And then of course, you've got to have your jalapeno because, and then we're gonna put a little tiny bit of cilantro. Once again, we like that color. And then we're going to put a little bit of the Colby Jack cheese along the top. Let that melt up, and it's just going to look, it's going to look to die for. Whew, my goodness, popping. All right, here we go. Look at how pretty that looks. So this is definitely ready to come off. We're gonna throw this on the plate, and then I've got one last step to go to. But before I do that, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and click on that link me for some other fun stuff, all right? All right, look at this Spanish omelet. Doesn't it look absolutely amazing? I like to do a corn tortilla on the side as opposed to toast. It just kind of gives it a little bit of extra something. Normally I would take a bite of this, but this is a little too spicy for me. But trust me, this is an absolutely amazing omelet. So there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen. I hope you guys had fun because I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.